everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go viral fast using the multi-comic trend edit in CapCut. This AI comic styles video is trending right now on TikTok, Reels and Shorts. And the best part is it's super easy to make, so let's jump right into the tutorial. First, just open the CapCut app on your phone and make sure your app is updated to the latest version so you can access all the newest templates. And once CapCut is open, just tap on template menu on the bottom of the screen, this one, and then inside the template section just search for the multi-comic like this, and then you will see several comic styles AI templates. These templates automatically turn your photo into a comic animations like this. Just choose one that you like. For example, maybe I want to choose this one like this. Just check the preview first to see the animation styles and transitions, and once you have chosen one, just tap on use AI template, this one, and then next just upload your photo. For the best result, just use a clear photo with good lighting and make sure the face is clearly visible. For example like this, and then next just tap on next and wait for the process. Okay, like this, your comic style video is ready. Next, you can export it to save the video by tap on export, or you can also upload it to TikTok or Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts directly. And don't forget to use the trending hashtag to boost reach. And okay, that's it. That's how you can make a multi-comic AI video in CapCut in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.